I'm Pam Roberts, team leader of the Gateway Group at Keller Williams in San Antonio, Texas. Welcome to 20134 Silver Stream in the Fox Grove community in Northeast San Antonio. As you enter this home, you're greeted by these beautiful barn doors which open to the front room, which is currently being used as a bedroom and can also be an office. There's some really nice personal touches throughout the home. There's a well-appointed half bath downstairs with a bidet. You have an open floor plan downstairs with a living room, dining room combination open to the kitchen. The current living room is being used as a game room. There's plenty of light throughout this home and some custom lighting fixtures. In the kitchen, there's a gleaming stainless steel double oven as well as a smooth cooktop. There's also plenty of counter space with granite countertops as well as a walk-in pantry. The spacious master bedroom is located downstairs. You'll find it has plenty of room with a seating area as well as large windows. The ensuite bathroom for the master has a double vanity. You'll also notice it has a walk-in shower, a linen closet, as well as a full walk-in master closet that has been outfitted with custom shelving. The laundry room is conveniently located downstairs. Now let's take a look at the second living area upstairs. This room is open and it has plenty of room for family to share movies as well as a game room, whichever you prefer. There are 4 additional bedrooms upstairs. Here you see the guest room, which has plenty of natural light, as well as a walk-in closet. There's a girls' room, a boys' room, and an office as well. And there's 2 separate bathrooms upstairs, so there's plenty of room for family and guests. The 5th bedroom is also set up as a media room. You'll notice there's plenty of living areas in the backyard to enjoy. It's beautifully landscaped with multiple seating areas. This yard is so big, there's actually a separate tree house in the back of the yard with multiple swings. You'll see there's plenty of room for outdoor activities. There's also solar panels on the home to help with energy costs. Thanks for joining our tour today of 20134 Silver Stream in Northeast San Antonio. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks and have a great day.